Hello everyone, this is Stars of Knowledge Randa channel and I am here with the review of 31st July 2021 exam for both morning and the evening slot and also the journal training as well. So let's start our today's video. We're going to start with the IELTS exam review for the morning slot for 31st July 2021. Well, in the morning slot for the listening, Part 1, there was fill in the blanks and those were easy. The title was Holiday Rental Service. In Part 2, there were small multiple choice questions and some match the information, easy again. For the Part 3, there were large multiple choice questions and selection of letters. It was easy to moderate. And for the Part 4 of morning listening, there were fill in the blanks, one word, and it was easy. Some said that the audio for the Part 4 was little fast. Overall, your morning slot listening was easy. Moving on to the reading. For the reading in passage 1, there were true, false, not givens and fill in the blanks. Passage 1 of reading was easy and the title was Autobiography of a Person. And for the passage 2, it was related to episodic memory. There were list of headings, fill in the blanks and selection of letters. Passage 2 was moderate. So many students said that it was challenging, it was confusing and it took a lot of time to do the passage 2. So instead of spending 20 minutes, they spent extra 5-6 minutes on passage 2. That's why they had a less time to finish the passage 3. For the passage 3, there were multiple choice questions, yes, no, not given and fill in the blanks. It was related to the languages, maybe the extent of languages, and it was easy to moderate. Some students found it really moderate, some students found it easy. Your overall reading was easy to moderate, not forgetting that the passage 2 was little confusing, moderate, challenging. Well, if we talk about the writing, then in task 1 there was process. It was recycling of aluminium cans in about 11 steps. For the task 2, the topic was today many young people change their jobs or careers every few years. What do you think are the reason for this? Do you think the advantages outweigh its disadvantages? So that was writing for the morning slot for 31st July 2021. Now let's further move on to the evening slot for the 31st July 2021. Well, in the listening for the evening slot, in Part 1 there were fill in the blanks, they were easy. In Part 2, multiple choice questions and match the information, easy again. For Part 3, there were multiple choice questions and some said there was a selection of letters as well and it was little moderate. For Part 4, there were fill in the blanks and those were easy. Your overall listening was easy to moderate and they said it was the latest Cambridge level. So if you're planning to do your exams in the near future, that please go through the Cambridge books, the latest ones, practice from that. For the reading in the evening, passage 1 there were fill in the blanks and true, false, not given. Passage 1 was easy. Passage 2 was moderate and there was match the information, selection of letters and fill in the blanks. And the title was Australia Animal Predator. And for the passage 3, there were multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks and yes, no, not given, and it was moderate again. As compared to the morning slot, the evening slot exam was little moderate, including listening and reading both. Your overall reading for the evening slot was moderate. Further moving on to the writing academic, Well, in task 1 there was a table, and topic for the task 2 was people prefer to buy those products which will meet their needs, so advertisements are unnecessary and are just a factor of entertainment. To what extent do you agree or disagree? And for the journal training writing module, guys, in task 1 you had to write a letter to a local council regarding the plan of your placement of a library with a supermarket. You need to write the following 3 questions. Where did you get this information? The disadvantages of having a supermarket instead of a library, and the importance of having a library. So that was the task 1, where you had to write a letter to a local council. And for the task 2, the topic was many doctors say that people in today's world do not do enough physical exercise. What do you think are the causes of this? What solutions are there to this problem? Guys, this is very much related to the GT exam which happened in the July month, and this topic also related to the physical exercise, because that was also about that nowadays people don't do enough physical exercises. So it's somewhere related to that topic. So you do get a repeated or a similar topics. And also students, this is the task 2 morning slot writing topic sample answer. If you want to, you can just pause the video and go through this topic, that what you have written, or you can compare what you can write if you do get this kind of a topic in future. And similar to the task 2 of morning slot, I'm also giving you the sample answer for the writing evening slot task 2. So you can also go through this sample answer, pause the video, read through it, and see if you have written something like this, or you can write something like this if you do get a topic in future. Okay, so guys, this is the whole full review for 31st July 2021, both morning and evening slot. I hope you do like this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and also subscribe my channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar, and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notifications on your timelines when we publish any new videos. Thank you so much students, and if you had your exam on 31st July, then best of luck for your results. I hope each and everyone who gave this exam just get the good and the desired bands. Thank you students, take care of yourself. Thank you, bye bye.